You see, first of all, I would like to offer my condolences to the commanding officer Santosh Babu and the other 19 brave soldiers who were killed by the Chinese army. My condolences to their immediate family, and I pray that the Almighty give them patience at the loss of their loved ones. And the country also is very upset. We are very angry at what happened which resulted in the loss of our 19 brave soldiers. The first important point which I want to tell is that the Prime Minister of India, Mr. Modi, must inform the country where does the accountability, who's accountable for this. The death of these 20 soldiers, who's responsible? Does the accountability lies with the Prime Minister, the Defense Minister, Home Minister, NSA or the CDS? The country wants to know who's accountable for this. Some accountability must be fixed. Third and important point is that will the government avenge these killings of our soldiers? And the most important point is that the best avenge is that to remove the Chinese from the 4.5 kilometers of territory which they have occupied in Galwan. That is India's territory. What is Chinese army doing in Pong Song Su Lake? This is very important. And even now, when on June 2nd, the government said, oh, de-escalation, de-engagement has happened. If de-escalation and de-engagement had happened, how did this incident take place? And then when our military commanders were speaking to the Chinese counterparts, why did we accept that we allowed them to hold those talks on Indian territory? Even now at Petrol Point 15, Petrol Point 17, China is still occupying that area. So, and lastly, the Prime Minister should also inform the nation and the country that how many of our brave soldiers are still in the custody of Chinese. These are important points which I hope that the Prime Minister would respond and tell the country, because people of this country should know. We have suffered huge losses. We cannot just say that, okay, we have lost our brave ones. Their sacrifice should not go in vain, and for that not to go in vain, Mr. Modi, Prime Minister, should ensure, his government should ensure that the Chinese leave the occupied territory in Galwan, in Pong Song Su Lake, in PPP 15 and PPP 17. That is the most important thing which the government must do, because the biggest tribute which we can pay to our brave soldiers is to ensure that the Chinese leave that territory. Leave that territory which they have occupied Indian territory. And lastly, the government should tell us how many such soldiers are still in the custody of the Chinese. A statement comes today by External Affairs Minister that nothing will be done to de-escalate. What does that mean? The Chinese give an aggressive statement and we give a different statement.
So what do you think? What personnel measures should be taken by the government?
No, the best measure which I demand from the government is that the Prime Minister should inform the country. In last 6 years, 18 times he has spoken to the Chinese counterpart. What has that led to? It has led to the Chinese occupying Indian territory in the Galwan area, in the Pong Song Su Lake. 20 soldiers have lost their lives. You know, mere statements by the government, by the Prime Minister, are empty words. These are all empty words. The country wants to know what action you are going to take. The country wants to know by what time will we be getting back that territory which China has occupied. That is the best reply that the government should give. Otherwise, these sacrifices will go in vain of our brave soldiers. You know, why did we speak to the Chinese army in our territory and saying that it's a no man's land? No, it was not a no man's land. Even while we were speaking, the Chinese were occupying PPP 15 and PPP 17. So these are important questions which the Prime Minister and his government must answer to the country.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी जब जब राष्ट्रहित से खिलवाड़ करती है, जब जब देश हित से समझौता करती है, जब जब हमारी अखंडता पर हमला होता है, तो वो चीन से लड़ने की बजाय कांग्रेस से लड़ने की कोशिश करते हैं। उनके इन कुत्सित निंदनीय प्रयासों का न केवल मैं खंडन करता हूं, पर यह कहूंगा कि देश को भटकाएं मत। हमारे सैनिकों को निहत्थे क्यों भेजा? क्या चीन ने और कहां कितने किलोमीटर तक हमारी सरजमी पर कब्जा कर रखा है, ये बताएं। ये घुसपैठ कैसे हुई, ये बताएं। सैनिकों की शहादत कैसे हुई, ये बताएं। सैनिकों को निहत्थे क्यों भेजा, ये बताएं। इंटेलिजेंस फेलियर और सूचना क्यों भारत सरकार को नहीं थी, ये बताएं। और ये बताएं कि क्या कार्रवाई करेंगे। भटकाएं मत।
भाई और बहनों, चीन ने हिंदुस्तान के शस्त्रहीन सैनिकों की हत्या करके एक बहुत बड़ा अपराध किया है। मैं पूछना चाहता हूं, इन वीरों को बिना हथियार खतरे की ओर किसने भेजा और क्यों भेजा? कौन जिम्मेदार है? धन्यवाद।